Hi everyone, welcome to my solution for created specifically for Microsoft Fabric contest. So it's called Fabric Compliance and Risk Audit Solution. So its purpose is to provide organizations with the tools to analyze the code assets for the current Fabric development and stress or identify risk zones to be compliant with the security or other code-related policies, for example, HIPAA or customly created by the organization. Generally speaking, it does it by scanning every selected attribute in the necessary folder for the potential vulnerabilities or other policies and provide the risk assessment red, yellow, or green. Now let's observe the solution itself. Just a quick disclaimer, this is the emulated environment in Figma. It's not a real fabric. So you see the prototype of fabric. So I'm clicking the workspace, healthcare core. Then I want to analyze like security things in this workspace. So I click new item, selecting compliance and risk audit, choose some name, test, click create. Then I'm selecting the folders I want to scan in this workspace, like this. Then I'm choosing the AI configuration for the LLM to analyze. If we want to be HIPAA compliant, for example, we need to select HIPAA compliant LLM, which means we need to have the BAA agreement with Microsoft to have this opportunity. Then I'm selecting the data items. In my case, it's notebooks and data pipelines. Selecting the policies I want to check, for example, HIPAA policies, basic security checks. Can also configure some metrics. So, for example, documentation. So, for example, I want to check that those items are well documented. Then, for example, I'm copying this prompt, modifying it slightly to have the desired result. Here I'm writing that you should have documentation, etc., adding metric, and then hit save and run. So it takes some time. In production, it may take 10, 20 minutes. But as a result, I have the report with all the items I selected and the results here, what's the compliance. So for example, I may see that in this notebook, we have some credential revealing. That's it. Thank you very much. This is the third and optional part of my demonstration. It showcases the technical aspect of the system. So system consists of a few modules. So analyzing module, LLM module, and reporting module. First of all, we are scanning items. So we are getting the code of the, let's say, notebook. And then we are feeding this code to the LLM with the specifically prepared prompt, which utilizes our policies and the code of the notebook, and ask LLM to return very strict answer with the desired metrics. So this is the example of the prompt I tried to feed to the LLM. So for example, this is the prompt itself, then the strict output, and this is the code of the notebook itself. And it actually works pretty well and pretty accurately. I would say 90+% accuracy is. Also, I prepared a code of the notebook to Python code to scan and get all the notebooks codes. So it's existing in my GitHub. I linked to the solution. Thank you very much. Have a great time.